In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Grok AI 2026, step by step. If you spend a lot of time in Grok, switching to dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially at night, and may help conserve battery on devices with OLED screens. This is a quick change you can make inside Grok's own settings, and it takes less than a minute. First, open your web browser and go to grok.com. If you already have Grok open, you're all set. Make sure you're signed in so your preference is saved to your account and carries over between sessions and devices. Once you're on the Grok homepage or in the app interface, look for the settings area. Typically, you'll find a small gear icon or a menu linked to your profile in the upper right corner of the screen. On some layouts, it might be behind a 3-line menu. Click that to open settings. If the interface has been updated since you last visited, don't worry. Settings is usually labeled clearly, and the gear icon is a reliable indicator you're in the right place. Inside settings, locate the section called Appearance. This is where Grok groups all the visual and theme controls. Click Appearance to open the theme options. If you see related labels like display or theme, those usually point to the same controls. In the Appearance panel, choose Dark. The change is applied immediately, so you'll see the background and interface elements shift to deeper tones with lighter text. This contrast is designed to maintain readability while reducing glare. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a second to update or refresh the tab. Some versions may also offer options like Light or System. If there's a system setting that follows your computer's theme and you want Grok to stay dark all the time, make sure dark is selected explicitly. That's it. The interface is now in dark mode. Your choice should persist, so the next time you open Grok, it will remember your preference. If you ever want to go back to a brighter look, return to the same appearance area and choose Light. And if Grok updates its design in the future, the path will be similar. Open Settings, head to Appearance,